Hello everyone, welcome in career classes. So today we are going to talk about mathematics. What is mathematics? Actually, some people are thinking mathematics is very hard subject. Some students are thinking mathematics is very hard subject. But actually not. You are not practicing better. If you are going to practice daily, the maths going to be bigger for you, going to easy for you if you are practicing daily. But you are not going to practice, it always hard for you. It always tough for you. Why? Most of the students are very brilliant in mathematics. Some students brilliant and some students are weak in mathematics. Why? Those who are practicing daily, regularly, they are strong in mathematics. But those who are not practicing daily, they are bad in mathematics. It means that the conclusion is mathematics is practice. If you are not practicing, you are bad in mathematics, weak in mathematics. Because mathematics is a technical subject. Just like if you pull an object, your muscles work. If you are pulling an object, your muscles work and being stronger. Similarly, if you daily practice the mathematics, you are stronger in math. You are being stronger in math. But if you are practicing daily, but when you are not practicing, you are weaker in math. If you are weak in mathematics, so practice daily. It means take a easy steps and easy concepts of math. When you starting, going to learn, you want to learn, then take some simple steps, some simple concept. Start from simpler to harder. Take a easy concept, like just like we are going to talk about the rectangle, right? Rectangle. What is rectangle? Rectangle is a closed figure which is surrounded by four straight lines in which length and breadth. You know, two parallel sides, that is length, and two parallel sides, that is breadth. Then what you want to find? Perimeters are area. If you are finding the perimeters, what is perimeter? First you have to think about what is perimeter. Perimeters means boundary of any figure, boundary of any area. That is perimeter. Concept clear? But when you are not thinking what is perimeter, and when sometimes you cannot able to relate the rectangle, parallelogram, trapezium, and all these things to your surroundings. If you are not relate, if you are unable to relate the rectangle, square, cube, cuboid, all these things from your surroundings, you are not able to understand what is perimeter and what is area. First you have to relate. If you have not ability to relate, you are not thinking about it, then you are weak. Always weak. You have to think. Mathematics is thinking, learning. If you are not thinking, you cannot able to learn. Because this is the concept. We know about that the mathematics has four properties only: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. These four things apply in math everywhere. But how? This is to learn. यही सीखना है. How? Four properties only. But you are not thinking about it. You join the class and learn something from your teacher and copy it. And when you are going at home, when you reach at home, open your copy and see what question has done in your school. If you are getting similar question, you can do. But some different situation if comes in the questions, you are confused. You confused, totally confused. How is it solved? Because you didn't learn about the concept. You are not focused. You know, not discussed from the teacher. Why it is like this? What is perimeter? What is area? What is whole square of a plus b? Your concept is unclear. So you are always confused. But you have to try to clear these concepts, understand these concepts. Surely you will be able to solve math. But when you are doing these things, but when you are not doing, then you are always weak in mathematics. So practice daily. Just I want to tell you, there is approximately 30 plus chapter in mathematics. Because 30 is very important. You know, if you practice, if you are going to practice, take one chapter daily. First day, second day, third day, and fourth day. I hope you are learning each day one chapter. It will not take much time. You have to take only 1 hour for mathematics per day. You learn one chapter daily. Sometimes you can watch the videos, you can discuss from your teacher, coaching teacher, tuition teacher, where you are studying, जहाँ भी आप पढ़ रहे हैं. One chapter daily. You know, if you start 1 to 30 chapter, this is the most important chapter whichever asked in all the examination, class 6 to 10, 11, 12. 11, 12, the concept is will be harder than the 6 to 10. But you have studied better, you never feels this is hard, right? 30 chapter. 30 chapter means if you start number system, rational number, HCF LCM, algebra, geometry में triangle, in geometry triangle, rectangle, trapezium, all those things you will see in the chapter geometry, whatever given, right? Trigonometry, congruency, congruency, ratio proportion, ratio proportion, profit and loss, profit and loss, percentage, percentage, time and work, time and work, bar graph, pie chart, pie chart, mensuration, mensuration, properties of parallelogram, properties of parallelogram, properties of parallel line, properties of parallel line, properties of triangle, or properties of triangle. These are some chapters which is common in all the classes. These are some chapters which is common in all classes. So why you don't practice all these chapters daily? You can take one chapter and practice today. Second chapter practice tomorrow. Step-wise step, you learn all these things. I think you are mastering mathematics if you work 1 year in these chapters. You are mastering mathematics, but you never do like this. That's why you are weaker in math. If you practice daily, you never weak in mathematics. So if you want to be a good in mathematics and you want to never say mathematics is hard, join the career classes, Roberts and Sloper, and I promise to you, you are better in mathematics, better in science, because I am here to understand you everything. You understand everything by me, you learn everything by me. If you want to know about, not for time pass, if you want to know, really you want to know, join the career classes and learn everything. Sometimes the students join the school teachers. School teachers already teaching in school. But you, when you are joining the school teacher for coaching, I think some teachers are work hard, but some are not. Some teachers work hard, but some are not. So join another classes and learn from them. You able to say, you can say, sir, I can't understand this topic. So he is trying to explain me so that you understand better. Because the passionate teacher is always trying to teach you, always trying to learn you, always trying to understand you. A passionate teacher. So I think, I hope you understand what I am going to say. So join career classes and learn everything. This is my first video in mostly in English. So if there is any mistakes, I apologize. Pardon me. If there is any mistakes, pardon me. So I will try best and best and best for you if you are joined here. Thank you. Have a nice day.